The Edge X3 High-Rail Waterjet Cutter, the most flexible and productive waterjet cutter on the market. The Edge X3 High-Rail's heavy-duty steel construction, coupled with the highest quality components, delivers outstanding accuracy. Critical system components are raised out of the processing environment for protection, creating a large cutting envelope. Greater access to the cutting area allows for the use of various loading systems, including overhead cranes, jib cranes, vacuum lifters, fork trucks, and manual or automated shuttle systems. The Edge X3-HR 3-axis cutting system can be used for straight waterjet cutting, abrasive cutting, or both. A single Z Carriage positions the cutting heads along the gantry over an isolated catcher tank that ensures vibration from the cut does not transfer to the cutting head. By utilizing a spreader bar, 3 to 10 cutting heads can be mounted to sub-Zs and run together or independently. Each cutting head can be positioned along the spreader bar manually with digital readout or automatically by utilizing a docking positioning system. The Edge X3-HR is the most customizable waterjet cutter on the market. With table sizes ranging from 4 foot by 4 foot up to 24 foot by 12 foot, you can build a system that adapts to your material sizes and types. Incorporating manual or automated load-unload systems allows material handling to be completed during the cutting cycle for the highest efficiency levels achievable. Built for speed and accuracy, the Edge X3-HR can meet and exceed your production goals. Your cutting needs are unique. With Jet Edge, you don't get a cookie-cutter solution. We collaborate with our clients up front to configure a waterjet cutting system that will meet and exceed your production goals, delivering a better ROI. Are you ready to custom configure your waterjet cutting solution? Visit us online at jetedgewaterjets.com to book a site visit with your regional field expert or call us at 1-800-JET-EDGE.